Hello, YouTube viewers. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that you have been enjoying my Oriental creations. I have a new creation for you, and in this case, what I have done is I've made a background out of an old broken fan, handheld fan that I have. Now, you see the one that is in her hands? I have a few of those, and after a while, they break. So what I do is I recycle the material, the fabric. I detach it from the supports. So this comes in really handy as a background for my new creation. This is going to take place inside one of my dollhouses. I hope that you will stay tuned. I hope that you will enjoy everything, all the creations that I have coming. And thank you so much for watching.